Hello, this is Jennifer at Central Missouri Property Management, and I am walking through 616 Westside Drive in Knob Noster, Missouri. We're walking through the front room right now, and this is the kitchen. Lots of cabinets, stove, refrigerator are included. You can see that the school is literally in your backyard. Nice size backyard as well. The garage has actually been transformed into some storage space. Can't ever have enough storage space. Here's the first bedroom. Bathroom. Second bedroom. And third bedroom. And I would say this would be the master because it has 2 closets. This property rents for $855 a month. If you have any questions, please call 660-362-1007 and talk to Jennifer. Have a great day.